Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the Fairy Light Bonsai Tree. Now this was one of our best sellers last year, but now we have an upgraded version and we're giving this to you in a 2-pack. Now there are a few minor differences than the one we sold last year, but before I get into that, let's take a look at the original video we shot for this.
Hi, it's Monica. Today we have the Fairy Light Bonsai Tree. It's gonna give a warm, relaxing feeling to any room of your house. I love the fact that this has 108 warm LED lights, so it's great for a nightstand, a kid's room. This is super customizable, so you can bend the branches to any way you want to make any specific designs. The best part about this is that this runs on battery or USB, and the light bulbs are energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about racking up that energy bill or running down their batteries. I already know my daughter is personally gonna love this. It's gonna look great in her room, it's gonna be a great nightlight, and she is gonna be super excited to get this. Not to mention, she's been asking for one of these because she saw it on TikTok and it's super viral, but it's so expensive everywhere else, but not with us. So head on over to the site and get yours.
Now when you first get this, these will come disassembled, but it's super easy to put together. All you'll need to do is line up the notch and insert it into the base. Now the main difference with this updated version is that the LED lights are warmer, giving you a more inviting atmosphere. Now you'll also notice that the base is slightly different than the original, but you'll notice that there is the addition of this touch button. To turn it on, all you have to do is touch that button. But what I really love is that they added a new feature which I like to call Sparkle Mode, which really makes the whole tree come alive. Now if you remember, every time we've gotten these back in stock, they always sell out super fast. So if you want one, you're not gonna wanna wait. Not to mention, again, these come in a 2-pack. So head on over to the site and grab a pair today.